Hi guys, welcome back. And on this channel, we talk about budgeting, lifestyle, travel, and DIYs. And in this video, we're going to be doing budgeting. So we're going to be stuffing my tax return. So keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start with the kids' envelope first, the kids' folder first. So I already filled out the budget sheets, so this should go by very fast. Okay, so in Christmas, I'm going to be doing $10. And I actually ripped a 20 in here, so don't mind it. So I have 20, and I'm going to figure out how to fix this, or if I have to go to the banks and they exchange it when you rip money. Please let me know in the comments box below what happens when you rip money. I'm going to try to tape it, like I said. So I have 20, 40, 50, 65. Oh wait, I'm sorry. 20, 40, 50, 65. And I'm gonna add a 10 to be 75. Okay, next is gonna be Sweet 16. Sweet 16 is gonna be getting a 20. So now we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10, and 20. So now we have 320 in Sweet 16. And I'm actually going to turn on my light in here because the natural light, it's cloudy outside and the clouds are coming in and out. So just give me one moment. Okay, sorry, that would have changed. Okay, so next we have family, and I'm gonna be stuffing the kids' envelope with $10 each. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm gonna fast forward this part so that I can stuff all 5 envelopes. So now we have emergency. Emergency is going to be getting $41. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 45, 46, 47. So we have $247 in emergency. Next we have savings. Savings is going to be getting $125. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100, $20, and $5. Okay, and let's count. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 100, 7, 10, 20, 30, 45, 50. So $750 is in savings. And then in my 52-week challenge, I'm actually not going to count it because I messed up. I guess I'm just doing my own thing. So I'm just going to be adding $84 into here, and I have amounts right here. Let's see if we can get, I have amounts right here, and I'm just like highlighting and ticking off what I'm putting in. So I'm putting $84. And we will count it all at the end of the year. 10, 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna go to my binder. My binder for beauty is going to get 20. Right now there's nothing inside of it, so it's just gonna have a solid 20. Car maintenance has 20 inside of there now. It's gonna get another 20 to have 40. Travel is gonna get a 50. So 20, 40, 50. So in travel we have now 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 50, 5, 65, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a total of, I'm looking for the card because I want to make sure that's right, 276. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 92, 210, 220, 230, 240, 5, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Yep, so we have a total of $276 in travel. Okay, so we're not gonna put anything in wellness. And in aftercare, right now we currently have 28, and I'm gonna be putting 400 in aftercare. So 1, 2, 3, 4. $25, $26, $27, $28. Perfect. And then in medical, it's going to be getting 1,000, and I want to say 60. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,040 it's getting. So we currently right now have 520 in here. So I'm just gonna break up the bills. Okay, put that there, that there. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. So 1,500, 20, 40, 50, 60. So $1,560 is in medical. And let me just fix the amount on here. Perfect. And that is all of it. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and give me a comment down below if I can take the $20 bill to the bank and they'll just give me another $20 bill, or what should I do? So I'm just a little curious on that, because if I don't have to tape it, I can just take it to the bank. I would love to do that instead. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe now. Bye now.